Yo. What the hell? Trigger 9, Mr. Mondale. Ass shaking, lead to temptation. Temptation, lead to fornication.
We gon' get funked up tonight. We gon' smoke and drink all night. We gon' hit it, sip it, pass it around until we feelin' right. We gon' shake, dip, spin it around. We gon' tear this thing on up. We gon' act a fool in front of the law, cause we don't give a what.
Yo, if we gon' do a little something, we gon' do it big. Drive the ice truck around the hood and give our necklaces. Getting this? Is there a need for foolishness? I swear, at times, man, I think y'all new to this. You want the truth? Be close, follow instructions. 2 ways of this, you and I, a large function. What's the reason? Big dogs think they ferocious. Think what you want, but chill on overdose. Hold your horse. Young blood, you think it's moving off course. Put this music in perspective or get a divorce. We in pocket and now we reaching out to the masses. Big like a picture you see through drinking glasses.
We gon' get funked up tonight. We gon' smoke and drink all night. We gon' hit it, sip it, pass it around until we feelin' right.
Take your 4 fingers, pull them tight, close to your thumb. Put them in the air, pump them like you're punching the sun. And keep your fist to the sky. Who am I? Spell it T-R-I-G. Oh no, me try. You ain't participating, you won't get in. That's like the 8th sin. You ain't senior citizens. Move a little something in. Hit it and sip it, then pass around here again. If the law's at the door, tell them they ain't getting in. Faculty, hit them twice like double dare. Trigger 9, Mr. Mondale. We don't care. Nah, we too great. Hit them with less than 2 takes. No mistakes, make your move shake till your shoes break.
We gon' get funked up tonight. We gon' smoke and drink all night. We gon' hit it, sip it, pass it around until we feelin' right. We gon' shake, dip, spin it around. We gon' tear this thing on up. We gon' act a fool in front of the law, cause we don't give a what.
Get your lighters, get 'em up, get 'em up, light 'em up, get 'em up, light 'em up. Are you ready? You ask what our style's like, let me explain. Some say we off the hook, out of sight, off the chain. Whatever description, the consistency that we hittin'. But being dope's against the law, we have major convictions. They paralyze people, get about the see-through. Make them feel this in each row and each show. And if you at the live show, better stand back. Front row is getting torched, in the back we turn black. Hot for y'all, spit